Hey, it's Valley Pop, and I'm Jessica.
Hi, I'm Jay.
And it's Jay, and I'm unboxing, and I dragged him along the LOL Biggie Pets. You hold the camera. This is the LOL Biggie Pets, and this is, what's her name? I don't know. I thought it would be on the box. It's a bunny, I know that.
You probably gotta use those to find out.
It's the bunny one, because what happened was I watched a couple of people on a Top Hop. A Top Hop. I watched one person open the MC Hammy one. I watched 2 unboxings of that, and then I watched an unboxing of the Neon Cat. I didn't watch anybody do this one because I was like, this is the front. I was like, I don't want to see what's inside of it. So, I don't know what's inside of it other than obviously her. I've seen this at Walmart once and I was like, what? I didn't understand why you could see, like, pick the pet, because I thought the whole point was blind bag. But this is full of blind bags. I also got this half price because I'm definitely not paying full price for this. And I won't even say what it was. Full price is pretty expensive. I don't know how to break into this. You got a knife though, right? You like?
Yeah, I stabbed myself.
I was gonna say you slid into it. Oh, it's got a little handle. This is the front. Where's the tape?
Or at the back. No, is there tape there?
Yeah, there is. I hate kids' shoulders.
I think there's more tape right here.
No, it's like one piece. It's literally one piece.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a kid's. Why do they make kids' toys so impossible to open? Like literally impossible to open. Remember Barbies back in the day? Well, you probably don't, but I definitely do. You'd open up a Barbie and then there'd be like 10 million twist ties you had to untie. And then it'd be like this and that, and you'd just be like, let me have my doll. If you even watch this whole box, it'd come apart. Well, one of the people I watched unbox it completely wrecked the box. So I'm not the only one. There we go. Now, has the ball gonna come out? I have no idea. I found the accessories. So I probably don't need anything else out but the ball. Holy moly! We're talking about twist ties.
Oh.
What is going on?
What's all in there? Just plastic?
Yeah, that's all the stuff.
Okay.
Everything else is inside this.
Well, chuck it.
Garbage. Oh, this is not even twist ties. This is like fabric? I see. No one's stealing this. Kids don't do this at home. Please don't use a knife at home in this type of manner. Should have got scissors.
Yeah.
It worked. And there's tape on this.
Of course. So this
I'll open that in a second.
yeah, bag of accessories.
Oh, that was easy. Oh, there's more tape.
Yeah, I remember like last
3
time.
layers of tape. Look, there's a little minuscule tape. Majestic.
That
in the
was our
background.
cat.
That's Fry. Literally majestic, just floating around. Now, if I was a child, I'd be pretty mad right now.
That's what parents are for.
Oof. No, I didn't let my parents open up my stuff. I wanted to do it. I still don't know how to open this. It's like it's a trick. Oh, there's more tape on it. We don't need that box, right?
No, I don't think tape's gonna matter.
It's not the one that's getting shipped out. Holy moly.
No, that's that box.
It's getting shipped out. Okay, that has to be it. Yes. Holy moly, baby cakes. So you get this big ball.
Looks like a hamster ball. Can we put the cat in there?
No, the cats aren't. Well, maybe Newt, not our cats. Our cats are too big. There she is.
Why has she got string attached?
So I think you can turn her into a backpack, which I'm definitely not going to do that.
Really?
And I don't even know why a kid would want to do that because she's hard. Like, why would you do that? Like, why would
It's
you?
just gonna dig in your. An adult wouldn't want to do it. It's gonna dig in your back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, or you can use her as a...
A leash makes more sense. I thought it was a leash on one of the first unboxings I watched. I was like, oh, that looks like a leash. And then I was like, wait, why would you have a leash? But see, you like do this or something. I don't know. I should have left it raveled up, because now what am I supposed to do with it? I might cut it off.
No, is it slide? Just pull. And then take this side off.
Yep. Because I'm definitely not making this a backpack. I'm just going to use it as like a bank, because she does have a hole, see?
Yep.
So you can't use them as a bank, obviously.
And you get
we'll keep this all.
And you get a free lanyard.
Yeah. You get a free whip that you can probably hit your brother and sister with. I do promote this.
So that's what it looks like. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it is. Let's open up these things. I think these are supposed to be for the pet, or you can actually use them for yourself.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that choker.
No, like you can make it a bracelet too. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it doesn't fit her. Like everything else LOL makes hardly works.
Yeah, the clothing's a little bit... Well, it
I
depends.
have two LOL dolls, and we didn't make a video because it was absolutely ridiculous. I should have made the video for the one. The one was okay. I can't do this. I can't. They're too rubbery. They're not going on.
Well, at least they're rubbery and not like the last one I seen when she did, the rubber had gotten air to it or something. The plastic, it was supposed to stretch.
Yeah, we were trying to put shorts on this LOL doll, and it was just not going.
The shorts had dried out so bad.
I wanted this on her. Like, it's way too rubbery, these things.
Oh, I can do it after.
What's this one?
Can't hold the camera and put the accessories on. That's your nice sunglasses.
I think you're supposed to be able to put on the pet.
Yeah, you should wear them.
I have glasses on already, thank you. That's enough of my face. This video wasn't supposed to be about me.
What are you doing?
No, there's stuff on them. I'm not crazy. What is this? Fluff? Oh, no. It's like literally something on them. Because you're supposed to be able to, like, put it on them. I think with that...
That's what that rubbery thing is.
It keeps it in place. Oh, God. Actually, this works. This is the only thing that does work so far. Kind of. Okay. Oh, no. There we go. You're so cockeyed. Oh, no. I don't know how people do this. Oh, there you go. Silly thing. And then there's this thing.
What the heck is that?
I think it's the strap for the ball. Or you can wear it as a necklace, which I'm definitely not going to do.
Strap for the
Not a child.
Yeah, so you can carry this thing around.
Yeah. But it comes with more of these things, and I don't know what these things are for.
Oh.
What did you do?
I just noticed something.
Yeah, the stuff
There's
inside
two
it.
holes. Line up with two holes in the bottom, too, for some reason. See? Two holes?
Weird.
Two holes.
But what are these for?
I don't know. See, there's the choker.
Or it goes on here, I guess, right?
Yeah, that's
Because the top of the ball has exactly the right, you know what I mean? It looks like it has the right thingamajigs. Look, I could be wrong. Apparently I'm wrong about everything. Because this is not going to fit the doll.
No. It'll fit a human.
Well, that's what I think it's the point, like, for a kid. That makes sense to me.
Yeah.
Like, connected to the bottom. Like,
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do with it. Yeah, because look, it matches the ball.
Yeah.
But I don't know what these are. These is obviously if you want to...
They might be locks.
No, I don't think so.
Well,
The weirdest brain. I think of the weirdest stuff. Look at her butt. Got one. That was heavy. I shouldn't have threw that down. 2, 3, 4, 5. That feels empty. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then these big things. 10, 11, 12.
All that just came out of that little thing.
Yeah.
And those are solid objects.
Yeah, so remember that sand you so love?
Oh yeah,
Guess
the
what
kinetic sand.
Yeah, well, that's what that's for.
It's like an ice cube.
How did I open this so easily? Apparently I'm too old for this. Get in. I'm mad now.
It's interesting.
I got it because I forced it. Okay,
Just
so-
showing everybody the...
Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. We'll do this last. Oh, I should have got paper towel. Because I know these are full of sand.
Yeah.
Like full. I'm gonna open this one because this one felt like nothing. Literally, it's an accessory or something.
Yeah, I bet you there's pets in here.
Yeah, that's the whole point. Or babies or something, I don't know. Okay, so one of them gets a little tiny collar. I don't even know if it will focus. Tiny collar. Put that here.
Put it in your bowl.
Oh, I'm gonna put it there. This is a scoop.
Oh, that's the dig outer sand.
Yeah. Another scoop.
How many scoops do you get?
No, hopefully not anymore. I don't know what that is.
Heck is that?
Oh, I've seen other people with them.
What is this thing?
You can put charms on something, because look. It is a charm, because this goes, you can connect it onto this, but I don't know where it goes on to.
Okay.
It goes on to, maybe we should read the instructions.
Nah.
We didn't read any of the booklets, that they're just left them to the side.
Oh
Sunglasses.
no, the sunglasses that are a pain to get on. Problem is they're not rubbery. They're very
More
hard.
charms. Oh, I don't know what this one does. This is like, it's like a broken heart. I don't know what the point of this one is. I'm gonna keep putting them on here so we don't lose these. Oh, more sunglasses? Lovely. Oh, these are glasses. Those are cute. Oh my garbage. A harness? That's a harness, right?
I'm not sure what the hell that is.
A harness.
Okay, yeah, that's. I guess
It's
it
for a
looks
pet,
like
right?
It's gotta be.
Oh, another charm. The bone one. I think they all come with a bone charm.
The bone charm.
I actually kind of like this one. That's the only one I like. Is that it?
One, two, three,
went to sleep
4,
already.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, yes.
I'm gonna open this quickly before we go into the sand. Let's see what's up.
So this is everything she got. She got 2 scoops, a game.
It's in a game. I don't know what you call it.
I don't know. This one I'm pretty sure is a pet because it says free puppies,
This is our baby reveal. If you put on the glasses,
free
it'll tell us.
kittens.
Baby reveal. It doesn't really reveal anything. Okay. Looks like one's gonna be a hamster.
Let's try this out. I don't know if it's gonna work. It did.
Okay, so this basically ruins the fun and tells you everything. We're in the cosplay club. That's Bun Bun. That's what we got. See, that's Neon Kitty. That's the one that I also... We got Hop Hop. That's the Neon Kitty that I saw somebody unbox, and then I saw somebody unbox this one. I think the reason why these were half off at Walmart is because they're getting new ones. Like, this is wave 1.
Yeah.
And they're coming in with new ones. There's only 4. There's Neon Kitty, Hop Hop, MC Hammy, and then Dalmatian. Which I had my choice. I could have got any one of these, but I figured I liked her multicolored hair. It's very cute. I liked the Neon Kitty, but I saw the unboxing and I was like, no, fine.
There.
What?
That's a place for your sand.
Oh, okay. Good idea. You're so smart sometimes. Okay, this is the actual instructions. Because I don't know what we're supposed to do with these charms. Probably on that necklace thing, this thing. The necklace slash whatever.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm too old for this.
Yeah, that can be used as a necklace.
Yeah, for like a kid. I don't know if it's gonna fit my neck.
Probably fit mine.
Yeah, you are pretty skinny. Yeah, see, look, it even shows them. Okay, let's follow the instructions. We got the ball. We got the pet of the ball. We put the glasses on the pet. Well, we tried. Oh, you can wear it yourself. I don't think they fit my head because I'm an adult. But a child, they would definitely fit. Please don't put them on.
Why? I want to see. They look very small.
Well, they're for children. And you have a small head, so it kind of works. You look ridiculous.
Whoa, don't look into the camera while wearing these glasses.
So then we already did this part. We haven't done this part. Yeah, some of them color change.
Oh yeah, there's
a harness.
in water and stuff.
Yeah, I'm not doing that part. It's too messy. See, yeah, one of them's a bracelet. That even for people, or her necklace, or like I said, I was right. One of them's a collar slash necklace, which is that blue one. Where did that go? This one. And I actually want her to wear that. We're gonna figure that out at some point. And then that's. You're supposed to break this one?
What?
What?
The bone? Why?
The bone opens?
What's in the bone?
Oh my good lord.
What is that?
It's cocaine. It's cocaine. Can you imagine? What are they doing?
Secret message in the bone. We got a boner message.
You got cocaine. Oh, really? It's one of these?
What? Oh, get our glasses out.
Because I don't have
Jesus.
What's favorite sock and a doll? I'm not good at these. Sock doll. Just give me the answer, people. I know it gives you the answer. I know that. Sock hop. Sock hop's the answer.
Oh boy. So we opened the bone for that.
Okay. Well, kids might like this, but I don't really care about their secret messages. That's a joke. What's a bunny's favorite dance? Sock hop. Oh, it is kind of funny. Get it? You're not even smiling. But you're supposed to break this.
But you know what? Then also.
Oh, never mind. It breaks on its own. Can you focus the camera? Look at the camera. I didn't actually break it. It actually does it on its own. Okay. I thought I was like, you're supposed to actually break it. But what are you supposed to do with these? Hang them off stuff? Like, I guess you could.
Yeah, you hang them.
Okay, well, that one's ugly.
You hang it off your necklace.
I wouldn't use this one.
Wear the bone.
I would. I wouldn't wear this one. I like the bone. The bone's my favorite one. Like, that's cute. Kind of. It's too big. It would be too big for her, but I don't know. It's for kids. So yeah. So I don't know what the point of the wishbone is breaking. At least the bone had something weird inside of it. But right about the backpack. It shows you how to make it a backpack, and then it tells you to use it as a bank also. They're right about most things. Let's get into this annoying sand. It's actually not that annoying. It could be a lot worse. It could be sand, where it actually just goes everywhere. That would be annoying. Because like you said, it is like kinetic or something. I don't have anything else. No, I think I got it. I finally got it. And I don't think the scoopers really help you. You might as well just dig in with your hands with these. Look. Oh, is it glittery? Okay, no. I saw some poor person do an unboxing. Not only did she have sand, but she had glittery sand. And I was like, no, that's two extremes into one. The easiest thing to do is just to do that.
There's your brick of sand. And then you gotta dig through your sand.
I just popped its head off.
What?
Well, you're not looking with the camera. You're the worst camera person. No, you were focused over there.
No, I was when you open it.
No, the heads do come off there. It's not broken. Don't worry. Don't you worry. But it's cute! Sorry, I'm coughing. Yeah, their heads do come off. But now I gotta like... Wow, really? Her head hardly stays on. That's how bad this one's made. Look at that.
Weird.
It's just cheap, I guess. I guess we should have got some hot water ready and some warm cold water.
Oh, you wanted to see if they...
Some of them should color change, yes. Plus, we need to wash them off. You just gonna play with the sand?
Yeah.
Okay. thought you had one open for me.
That one.
Which one?
Should be this one. Should be open if you're just pulling the tape.
No,
So I popped it with a
not at
knife.
all.
No? Yeah, at the bottom there.
No, there's actually a spot for you can pull right
Oh.
here. It's just hard for me to get. There we go. Pink. I don't want to keep the same.
No.
That's why I'm doing this. I'll keep these things, I guess. I don't know. Let's not break its head off. Oh, good. We're not going to. Oh, it's like a mini of that. It's a hammy of that. This is adorable. I like this one. This one I like, but the head is like, don't touch the head or it's going to pop off. And then we get... I wonder if that was the question mark one. Because this kind of ruined it and shows you which ones you're getting. Yeah, this shows... This is the special one. This is the special one we got. It's her. The next one's really super cute though. Oh my god. This is like the worst one because it's a box. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't pay for like $50 for this. In Canada, these are $49.99. This whole lot. I paid half. Let's just say that.
I'd spend that on Funko.
Yeah, exactly. I could have spent this on Funko, but whatever. I'm not gonna buy it.
That's something new. Neat to try.
I should show this to Sarah. I don't even think her kids have these. Her kids have the regular LOL dolls.
Oh, that one you might need a digger.
Oh, it's like hard though.
Is it?
Yeah. It's not very soft. I wish the digger had like a bigger handle. I've got big adult hands. Help me. Ow.
You can hear the sound it's making too. It's kind of weird.
I can see her.
Can you hear that?
I'm trying to pop her out. It's not working.
Keep digging.
Ow! It's actually hurting my hand. Oh no.
Oh. Everywhere.
Don't make this anymore.
Okay, here.
We're gonna switch off. Please help me. Don't use the knife, you're gonna cut her. Use the scoop.
I'm not using
You get a scoop for a reason. If a kid can do it, you can do it.
Yeah. Just trying to get it where you kind of jammed it up there. She's in there pretty good.
I know. The other ones were easy because they were bigger and you could just be like, boop. They jammed her in there good. Oh, this doesn't look like the picture at all.
There's something else in there, I think.
Really?
There is.
Oh no. It's an accessory. Look how small this one is. This one might... Oh, it is a charm. This is a charm. So we didn't get a third baby, we got a charm instead. A charm baby. I like the one in the picture better. Look, the one in the picture says you get that one, which we got, and then that one, but that one's the same color. It's got the gray and the blue and the yellow and the pink hair. Bon Bon Meow. Bon Bon Ham, Bon Bon Meow we're supposed to get. We got Bon Bon Ham, this funky thing. I think is that a dog or a cat? I'm gonna say that's a dog. And then we got this thing, which I don't even know. It's another bunny. Look at the ears. There's no way that's a cat.
Looks like a chicken.
So can they be different than what they show in the pictures?
Apparently.
Apparently. I'm gonna pause this and get some hot and cold water. So we're back, and Jay decided to go drag.
I was checking the accessories. They seem to work pretty well.
It's the bracelet one I can't figure out. So I got hot water and cold water. This is hot. This is cold, and I got some paper towel because I was smart. What color changes? Probably this one. Oh, well, don't break stuff.
I'm not trying to. They fell off.
Oh, this is actually hot.
I told you.
I only put it in for like
We
the
have
40
a
seconds.
high-powered microwave.
Okay, that's not working on hot.
So maybe it's
Cold?
tried on cold.
Nope.
Maybe it does nothing.
No, yeah, they don't always. I think that one's going to.
Dunk that guy in there.
Get your sand off. Ow, it's hot. Melts the toys. Just ruins them.
I don't know. Maybe you gotta leave them in there for a while.
No, it's pretty quick. You see any change?
Yes. Wait. No.
Yes, no. Look, the hair is changing. Oh, no, that's how it is.
No.
This one's still sandy feeling.
You ready?
If none of these color change, I'm going to be quite upset.
I probably don't.
Just dunk it in. Poor baby. Poor baby.
You probably have a better chance of just putting the bone in there. What about this thing? Oh, that's a charm.
They definitely don't do anything. Well, mine does. Get in the hot water so I can clean you off. Ow, my hand.
I'm gonna guess this goes on.
Yeah, I don't think this guy, the hammy, has a big and small enough neck for the... The hammy gets the harness. Okay, cleaned off the hammy. I thought it was color changing. No, it's the lighting being weird. As if none of them color change. This is the first time I've actually dunked my animals.
Oh, no.
What?
Oh, I know what this one does.
What? Yeah, it spits. They all do. Don't spit at the blocks. Here, spit it back in the... Oh! It's peeing! No, it's the hole in the middle.
No, there's also a hole in its nose.
Is there?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
It's just peeing out of the butt.
Isn't there?
Oh. It just got all over the floor.
It looked like there was a hole in the nose.
Here, can you hold this? I'm gonna put the harness on the Amy. Where'd the harness go? That doesn't fit. It's too big.
Maybe it goes on the dot? No.
I think I got it done. Because the totally chose the picture with that fucking harness on the hand. Oh wait, I just had the harness on wrong. I think.
And this is a cool kinetic sand you get. Formable sand. Probably the funnest thing out of the whole thing for me.
If this is how it's supposed to go, this is like the worst toy ever. You're laughing because you're agreeing. No, because look at the picture. That's how it's supposed to go, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, try to get the glasses on it.
This is why I don't like LOL Surprise toys, because they literally disappoint me.
But you keep getting...
Okay, get the stupid harness off. It's not gonna fly.
I'd like to know what these go on. It's got to go on this dog.
The harness? No, the color goes on the dog. Oh,
Jesus. So I guess you have a choice of glasses for...
No, that should go on the dog. The dog should fit the glasses too.
No, they're supposed to have little clips for...
No, that's for... They only have the holes in... They don't even do the holes in the dolls anymore. I know. It's like absolutely ridiculous. It's almost like It's almost like my toys are too small. Because it's not working on the hamster at all. The hamster's a weird shaped body. You can't put anything on it. Oh, it's still peeing.
Oh, I got the sunglasses on there.
Yeah. So you can do... So basically this is for the dog, because I don't know how anybody can get it on the hamster. She still has like...
That's a hamster?
Yes, that's a hamster.
That's a sad looking hamster. Look at that thing. That look like a hamster? Looks more like a guinea pig.
Leave my hamster alone. This one still has sand on it. How's that possible? It completely got dunked in water. I'm looking at this sheet.
Why did the video start over?
Because it's another video.
Oh.
Yeah, it shows the hamster wearing glasses. Give me the stupid hamster. But I swear, this hamster looks smaller than what the picture shows. This is what I keep doing, flinging the hamster or the glasses at myself.
Yeah, like, how did it...
The hamster needs like 2 indents in its body so it can accept these.
Let's cut them. No. I'll fix that hamster.
The hamster is useless. The hamster's cute. You just can't put accessories with it. Just on its own.
Why is this break?
I don't know. I don't understand any of it. Why did you put the bone on the necklace?
I don't know.
Alright, so I guess we're done here. Because here's our disaster of L.O.L.
It's a cool piggy bank, really, but I wouldn't...
Yeah, I'm gonna have her, like, displayed somewhere, because that's cute.
I would say it's a $20 or $50 piggy bank, and you really want your kid walking around a purse that looks like this?
It's on a purse. This can turn into a backpack, which is ridiculous because it's like hard. We got 2 cups of water here, and you're flinging stuff around. So yeah, I guess this is about it.
It's like a hat for Bender.
Yeah, maybe. So we got Hop Hop with the Biggie Pet and all this stuff.
All these
hamster.
things. We didn't get the knife.
Baby thing. Where's the dog? Dog.
Glasses.
We didn't get the knife. Came with a knife.
For the adults.
Oh wow!
Probably
As the head just pops off and rolls away. This is really not made well. Just saying.
It's all made out of like plastic and some kind of rubbery type.
No, but this head should stay on better. Like, come on.
I think this makes a better hat than anything else. You know what it is? Actually, I figured it out. They give you a free colander. See that?
Maybe.
So you can drain your pasta. Fits right in there. Look at that. Great pasta drainer.
How did you get this collar on the dog?
I just slid it on very carefully.
Yeah, I got it.
It's the only thing I can figure out. They give you a brand new pasta.
Okay, so this is a long enough video. Wrap it up, Jay. Wrap your jokes
All right.
up. There's all the garbage comes with too.
Yep.
Don't know what we're gonna do with these things.
Put your stuff in it.
Yeah, I might have to keep one to put all these little things in.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We have contests coming up for when we reach 100 subscribers.
And we also have one.
Well, no.
Yeah, I guess it'll be over by the
It's
time we
over.
put this one up. All right.
So, bye-bye. Let's look at Hop Hop. She's the cutest one. Bye-bye.